All right, everybody, welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. We are doing some waxing, some wet sand and waxing. We already got this side right here sanded, got this sanded. The roof is done on this side, and he's doing the back deck area. This quarter is done, and like I said, he's doing the back deck lid area where there's no deck lid, and he did that little area right there the other night. Still have this whole side to go. We got the most of the windows, and actually we got all the windows in. These we still have more window screws to put in, but that's gonna take a while. So we just put a few in for right this second because it's kind of the end of the day. Kind of want to go inside and stuff like that, relax, take a shower. But we got the driver side window in. We're either gonna paint this area black right here, or there is like a black, trying to find the word for it, like a black matting. That's it's like it's what this is. Best way I could put it. It's this, that the door that the window will lay on. We also got the back window in, and on the Zeus's, it looks absolutely incredible. I feel like it really highlights, it makes all the blinginess back here really pop out. Got the quarter glass windows in, stuff like that. And here's the black Zeus's. I still gotta put the springs in on the bottom right here, but that looks awesome. Damn. That's cool because it kind of blends in with the paint. It kind of matches the paint. Mm-hmm. That looks slick. I like that. I mean, it's kind of hard to see it on camera, but it looks really cool. So we got these stickers for the car. These are like some parking type lights, marker lights, gas cap, which they sent, and I honestly didn't even order the gas cap. They came out by Chevrolet. That goes on like the hood. Some SS stickers, and I only ordered like 2 things of SS stickers, so they sent more, which is very cool. And I only ordered 2 regular Camaro stickers, but they sent 4, which is very cool, I guess, in case we mess up. And they sent 3. Well, he has the other 2, but 3 more cow induction stickers. A bunch. I actually only ordered 1 pair of taillights, so it would have only been here, and they sent some extras, which is very cool of them. And the grill. So 1320 media is where I got these at. They sell a bunch, I guess. I mean, a plug, I guess, for them. It's actually Andy McCoy Race Cars that has this 1320 media, which they sell a bunch of like stickers for like the 63 Corvette Pro Mods and the 53 Corvette Pro Mods, and obviously this body style. I always used to thought it was like a bunch of airbrush work, but it's not. It's just stickers. Yeah, look at that. It looks nice. That looks nice as hell. You could do it. You're, in a way, the professional.
I don't know about that.
Professional sticker applier. And I'm filming, so. Applying the marker lights now. We figured that we had to do a little bit of internet investigation to see where the marker lights go, where the lighter ones like those go, and the you know, the red ones and stuff like that. Go ahead and get in a tactical position to apply those.
You think the white should go on the top or the silver?
I don't really know.
Right
there. Bring it up a little bit. Up, 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 up. Right there.
Hook it in.
Yeah. Just apply a little bit of it, and I guess maybe stand back from it. Kind of looks like that. Kind of looks like that.
So the front needs to go down or the back?
The front needs to go down. There you go. That kind of looks. I would. I don't know. Get up and stand back and look at it. See what you think. It does look badass. Yeah, apply it. I think it'll be fine. If you think it will be. That's gonna look good in the.
Killer on that.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, that's gonna look killer on the stripe. Oh, that does look classy, I think.
Oh, yeah.
That looks classy. Well, the front sticker wasn't as easy, it wasn't as hard as we thought it, but it wasn't very easy either. But there.
Well, we got it together, man.
Yeah. Look at that. That looks so cool.
Yeah, it's crazy looking.
It does. Go up here and show you guys. Hey, that's real classies. Pure class act.
Camaro looks good.
Oh, dude. Yeah.